Thank you, Chair.
Bodi ya ruhonge rwa irio nyumu guku bururi-ini itongoretio ni murugamiri munene Joseph Kimote ikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie urimi gucokia ciuria ciigie muthitho wa irio iria thirikari igite. Giikaro-ini giki nikuo bodi ino ihithuritie ati bururi nduri na muthitho ihinda-ini riri.
The National Food Reserve stocks is totally depleted at the moment, and there is need for immediate build-up of requisite stocks to address the precarious national food and nutrition security status.
Gukiri uguo bodi ino yugite ni irabatara ciringi bilioni 10 cia kugura irio cia kuiga muthitho niguo gutigirira bururi nduri ugwati-ini.
So we made a request for around 10.875 billion shillings towards restocking the National Food Reserve.
Your document is just saying 3 million bucks. So I want to get a clarity. Is this maize, beans or rice? You want it to be specific, and we'll look later in your budget requirements so that you specify as for the crop that this is for rice, this is for beans, and this is for maize.
Uhoro-ini wigie gicanjama kiria giathiururukiirie marihi ma mbeca cia arimi, NCPB yugite ni irikitie kuriha mathirĩ ma arimi aria mahitukitio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania EACC.
The amount that was due to farmers was 1.08 billion. With the 565 that came to us was to pay farmers who had already been cleared. So the balance that remained to farmers belonged to farmers who had not been cleared by the commission.
Thirikari kugerera ministry ya urimi ikoretwo igitwarithia mogaruruku ruhonge-ini ruru niguo gutigirira ni ruraruta wira uria kwagiriire itemi-ini ria gukinyaniria gitugi gia thirikari ya Jubilee gia gutigirira bururi uri na irio njiganu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.